I'm going to New York next month for 12 days. I did a part one where I just went through all of the bottoms. Today is going to be all of the tops, if I can get through them. White shirts are my thing. I just have to decide which ones to bring. Definite yes. Definite yes. I like this one too. You see where this is going? It could be like a jacket sometimes. Now we're into blue. I like this one. I love the striped blouse. It looks so good with white jeans. It's so crisp. But there's a part of me that thinks it's more tailored and I just should not bring it. I love the red stripe thing, but I think this one's coming. I don't think I need both blue, so this one's a no. Interrupting the tops discussion to just say I remembered I have these Legence white jeans and I really like them. Okay, t-shirts. Definitely gonna bring black and white and gray. Yeah, black, white, and gray. I really like this black one because the sleeve is kind of long and it's a modern silhouette. I like this one because the sleeves are a bit long and it's more slim, and I like it with like voluminous bottoms. I think looks better with a tighter top. I like this one with the buttons. It has long arm coverage, which I like as well. I like the silhouette of this boxy white one. I need a stripe, but I'm not sure which one. Definitely white cardigan, cashmere cardigan, cotton cardigan. I do not need both. I'm kind of leaning towards the cashmere because it's just finer, and if I get chilly. I forgot about this Ann Mashburn one. The black cashmere is a must-have. It's an Aritzia cardigan, which I've worn historically other summers because it just is a lighter version of black. I'm bringing this dress. Jacket time. This one's a yes. I wore this a lot last summer and I really enjoyed it, and I don't have any other blazers, so this one's a maybe. But she's limited, I'm not bringing her. Am I gonna wear my jean jacket? I love this jacket, but it's a little redundant. I've been wearing this jacket so much, but I think I'm leaving her home. I think it's being left home. I had to throw on another pair of pants to see which jacket works best. Silver fisherman sandals are coming. My Claygerie Oxfords are coming. These sandals are made well, and I think they're coming. White Sambas, Superga if it rains. I think I'm missing something with shoes. Thanks for coming along. If you need a part 3 for all the little other stuff like toiletries or anything else, let me know.